How's it going, guys? My name is Noah here from Russ Darrow Mazda located in Greenfield, Wisconsin. But I'm making another quick video for you because our summer is coming to a close here and it is time to start thinking about our winter months that are slowly approaching. So the really nice thing about Mazda is that almost all of our vehicles are going to come with a proactive all-wheel drive system, which is one of the best in the market and handles the snow beautifully. It is making 211 calculations every second to perform a pull and a drag in the front and rear tires, which is testing the conditions of the road to be able to predict slippage before slippage occurs. So an awesome all-wheel drive system, which is going to fit both of these vehicles here, whether you need the personal vehicle for transportation to and from work for yourself, or whether you have the bigger family vehicle and are going to be lugging around hockey sticks and football pads this fall. Whichever option you need, we have here for you. Give me a call with any questions, comments, concerns. Our phone number here at the store is 414-329-5800. But I'd love to help you out getting into that perfect vehicle for your winter and fall needs. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. All right, I'll be looking for you on the lot. Bye-bye.